Hello students. In this video, we'll be solving question number 1, MCQ 4. Here in this MCQ, we have to find the square of root of 5 minus root of 3. So to find the square of this number, we can directly use the identity of a minus b the whole square. A minus b whole square states that its answer is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So in this question, we can write this as root 5 square plus root 3 square minus 2 times root 5 into root 3, which can be solved as root 5 square as 5 plus root 3 square is 3 minus twice of 5 threes are 15, which is 8 minus 2 root 15, and that is the answer. So correct option will be option number 4. In the next MCQ, we have given the value of 3 upon 4 plus root 7. Now to simplify this value into its lowest form, we must rationalize the given number by its rationalizing factor. So we'll multiply both numerator and denominator with 4 minus root 7. On multiplying the numerator, we'll get 3 times 4 minus root 7 divided by, in the denominator, we are getting the identity of a plus b minus and a plus b into a minus b. So here the answer can be 3 times 4 minus root 7 divided by 4 square, which is 16, minus root 7 square, which is 7. And that is equal to 3 times 4 minus root 7 whole divided by 16 minus 7, which is 9. 3 ones are and 3 threes are. So final answer for the given number 3 upon 4 plus root 7 can be equal to 1 upon 3 times 4 minus root 7. So 1 upon 3 times 4 minus root 7, the correct option will be first option. In the next MCQ, they are giving us the similar kind of a sum with a different number, 1 upon 7 minus root 5. To simplify this also, we will rationalize this with 7 plus root 5. On this multiplication, in the numerator, we will get 7 plus root 5 as it is. And in the denominator, we will get a minus b into a plus b, which is a square minus b square. Upon simplification, we will get 7 plus root 5 upon 49 minus 5. 49 minus 5 in the denominator is 44. So this can be written as 1 upon 44 times 7 plus root 5, which is second option. In the next MCQ, they are giving us the value of x as root 2 minus 1, and they want us to find the value of x minus 1 upon x. In such cases, we will find the value of 1 upon x separately, which will be 1 upon root 2 minus 1. Now, upon rationalizing this with root 2 plus 1 multiplied in numerator and denominator, we will get this as root 2 plus 1 divided by root 2 square minus 1 square, as a minus b into a plus b is there in the denominator, which is equal to root 2 plus 1 upon root 2 square is 2 and 1 square is 1. So eventually we are just left out with root 2 plus 1. So now for x minus 1 upon x the whole square, we will just substitute the values of x and 1 upon x. X being root 2 minus 1 minus 1 upon x being root 2 plus 1. So when we will open this bracket up, we will get that this root 2 and this root 2 will cancel out and we left out with just minus 2 square, which is equal to 4, which should be the final answer. Hence, third option is correct option. In this MCQ, we have to find the value for the given expression 5 minus root 7 divided by 5 plus root 7 minus 5 plus root 7 divided by 5 minus root 7. In such cases, we always follow the method of cross multiplication to take LCM. So we can multiply these two minus then these two, and then in the denominator we can multiply the denominators. So in this way, if we take LCM, we will get in this way we will get 5 minus root 7 multiplied with 5 minus root 7 minus 5 plus root 7 multiplied by 5 plus root 7 whole divided by 5 plus root 7 multiplied by 5 minus root 7. In the next step, you may wish to multiply the bracket like in algebra. So, in that case, we will multiply this 5 with this full bracket, and then this minus root 7 will be multiplied with this full bracket and opening up of this bracket just like in algebra. But here we have an alternative way also. 5 minus root 7 is multiplied by itself. So 5 minus root 7 whole square minus 5 plus root 7 is also multiplied with itself. So 5 plus root 7 the whole square. And in the denominator, we have 5 square minus root 7 square. Now, if we expand these expressions using a minus b the whole square or a plus b the whole square, we will get 5 square plus root 7 square minus 2 into 5 into root 7 minus, for the next bracket, we'll get 5 square plus root 7 square plus 2 into 5 into root 7 whole divided by 5 square being 25 and 7 root 7 square being 7. Now opening up the numerator brackets, you will observe that 5 square and root 7 square will be cancelled out from both the brackets and will be left out with minus 10 root 7 and minus 10 root 7 divided by 25 minus 7, which is 18. So the numerator can now be written as minus 20 root 7 divided by 18. Cancelling on 2 will get minus 10 root 7 upon 9. So final answer is minus 10 root 7 upon 9, which is correct option for option number 4. In the next video, we'll be starting with the question number 2 of this exercise.